In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to add and edit projects at GreenKonnect. First thing you want to do is go to the Projects tab. On the Projects page, you can search for the projects on the right by location, lead characteristics, and additional information such as project phase, owner type, and occupant type. When searching for a project, it's best to search by location rather than by name. So in this demo, we'll create a new project, but editing a project is essentially the same. To add a project, click on the Add a Project button. When adding a project, fill out as much information as you can. When filling out the description, keep in mind you can use text style for formatting. And if the project has a website, be sure to include it here. Next, add the address of the project. After that, mark any relevant checkboxes describing the type of project. Next, fill out the lead information about the project. This includes the status of the project, the registration date, and certification date, the rating system it's under, the level of certification, the amount of points achieved, and the maximum number of points achievable. Be sure to fill out any other relevant information. The most important part is to include all of the references you use and to make sure to use the provided format. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and hit Save. The next thing to do is add the lead scorecard. Fill out the project credits according to the official lead scorecard awarded to the project. If there were any innovation and design credits earned, make sure to include the name of the credit. When you're finished, hit Update at the bottom. If you made a mistake or want to change any of the information, you can hit the Edit button. Next step is to add photos. When adding photos, you can either upload photos from your computer or add them by URL. You can also add multiple photos at the same time if they come from the same photographer or organization and the same source. Once you're finished, click Upload. Next, click on the Companies and People tab to add any companies that worked on the project. To add a company, click on Add a Company. Then type in the name of your company. If your company is already on GreenKonnect, it will suggest the name as you type. Then specify the role the company had on the project and include any comments on the company. Once you're done, hit Save. To add people who worked on the project for a specific company, click on Add a Person. Begin typing the person's name. If they are already on GreenKonnect, it will suggest the name as you type. If you can't find an existing person on the project, click on the link to create a public profile for them and to invite them to GreenKonnect. After filling out their name, add their role to the project and any other comments you would like to add about the person. When you're done, hit Save. In the near future, GreenKonnect will have a feature where you can add and review products. Congratulations, you've added a project. Make sure to check out the other screencasts to learn about the exciting things you can do with GreenKonnect.